Yan o, tingnan mo, gumanda na. Video ka. Salita ka. Oo, ganyan, mabilis. Kasi mahihilo ang manuot.
Ito yung aso ko. At ito yung omi ko. Tsaka dito kami pumunta. Tsaka doon yung parking namin.
Lake.
Laguna Lake. Tsaka doon yung ate ko tumatakbo lang papunta dito. Tsaka dito may motor. Madaming tao. At dito madaming dahon. May mga tubig na malaki. Big pond po to eh. Tsaka ito ang ate ko.
Hi din, Hana.
Hi. Nag-hi yung ate ko. Tsaka manonood tayo today. Maglalaro tayo today. Jogging tayo mamaya. Sige. Mag-jogging tayo mamaya. Daddy, mag-jogging tayo. Nag-jogging ako. Ito yung jogging. Jogging ako. Ito yung jogging. Ate ko nag-jogging. Dati napakita ko paano mag-jogging ka. Yan, tumatakbo siyang ganyan. Jogging yun. So, ito yung dress ko. Potsy lang. Yung flower ko. Tsaka ito yung ate ko tumatakbo lang. At ito yung big pond. Walang shark dito eh. Isda lang yung meron. Tsaka, dito ito yung aso ko si Ami. Tsaka, dito yung lahat na tirinda. Tsaka, nangunguha na isda. Tsaka, dito lahat na parking. Naka-parking sila. Doon yung mami at daddy ko. MG. Black. MG. Okay. Doon yung apaw. Tsaka naglalaro sila tennis ball. Diyan, yung mga tao. At dito ay may isda. At meron din bangka. Tsaka, ito yung araw. Saglit lang, babakit. Daddy, say hello. Daddy. Ito yung daddy ko. Tsaka ito yung big pond. Hanggang doon yung mas malaki na pond. Doon yung malalim at atang yung malalim. Tsaka yung ate ko. Nandito. Hala yung ate ko. Akyat-akyatan. Dito. Kasi gusto ko lang. There's an egg of a snail. There's a lot of egg of a snail. You got a lot of snail. Yep. Look at all the pink snail's eggs. We have to roll it apart. But we cannot look. There's water. It's too deep. So now, we won't do it. And that's my dog. And this is my mommy just watching phone. And this is the people. Ayan. Ayan sa connection mo. And look at the shell of I found. Yep, it's my sister's found shell. Look, it's so beautiful, right? At ano may isa pa. Kunin mo. Kunin mo yung isang shell. Let's not try it.